Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stake XRP on Coinbase. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, go to the left-hand menu and click on Earn. Here, you'll see all the assets that support earning rewards. You can use the search bar to look for XRP. If XRP staking is available for you, simply search for Ethereum, click Stake More Ethereum, then scroll down and select Continue. Enter the amount you want to stake. You'll see important information like the estimated reward rate, payout schedule, and any unstaking period. Click Stake Now to submit your request. After that, you can open your account to track your staking rewards. You can also stake directly from your portfolio. Click My Assets at the top, select the cryptocurrency you want to stake, and tap the Stake button. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to start earning rewards through staking on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like video and subscribe to the channel.